In this video, let us see that what is data science. What do you mean by data science? What exactly is all about this data science? So first of all, let's talk about what exactly is data. Data is all about any raw information, raw facts and figures in a collected form from number of different sources. Data science is a field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data, and applying that knowledge and insights from the data across a broad range of application domains. So basically, data science is a domain of study that deals with a vast volume of data using modern tools and techniques to find the unseen patterns, to derive meaningful information and make business decisions. Data science uses complex machine learning algorithms to build predictive models. The data used for analysis can be from multiple sources and present in various forms. Data science is now an essential part of an industry today, given the massive amount of data that are produced. Many companies have started implementing data science techniques to grow their business and increase the customer satisfaction. So after collecting the raw data, we process the data for analysis. Then we explore the data and perform in-depth analysis, and then only we are able to come to a conclusion. We can obtain the results. So there are different steps which are involved in the data science process. Now if you want to become a data scientist, then you should have a good knowledge of Python and R programming language. Also, you should be good in statistics and mathematics. So data science is all about our analysis and prediction. If you guys have any doubts or queries regarding this video, then feel free to ask any doubts. Hope you find this video interesting. Like, share and subscribe to this channel.